Okay, so today we're going to make a very colorful background. Everybody say background. When I give you your piece of paper, repeat after me. I'm going to write my name, my top secret class code. I'm going to flip my paper like a pancake. Then I'm going to create. Okay, now what you're going to create is a very colorful background. We're going to make some, repeat after me. We're going to make some portraits. A portrait is a picture of a person. Hey, something's gone wrong here. All right, so we're going to be making a portrait, a picture of a person, but before we work on our person, we want a super colorful background. So on your table, you're going to find little pieces of something called tissue paper. And you'll notice it's really colorful, bubbles in. Now this is not the kind of tissue that you blow your nose with. This is the kind of tissue that we make colorful. And one thing you have to be very particular about is that sometimes they stick together and you only want to pull out one piece at a time. Now you could use just your favorite colors, you could use a whole mix of colors, but here's what you're going to do. You're going to start at the top. I'm going to start at the top. Good job. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of tissue paper right here. We're going to take some water out of our paint cup. And all you have to do is we're actually going to paint with tissue paper, but all you have to do to this tissue is add water onto it and then let it stay there. Okay? Now I'm going to add another color right beside here. And I'm going to put handy dandy water, and I want to make sure that I get it all the way wet. I don't want to skip any spaces, or else it's not going to turn into paint. If you look closely with your artist eyes, you might see that it's already starting to turn into paint. Now, if you go off the paper a little bit, that's okay. But we want to make sure we get paint on and water on every single piece. Then we're going to move down and we're going to keep going until we cover our entire paper. Let's see. Oh, I haven't used this color in. It is a beautiful color. Oh, do you have bubbles? Get some bubbles. Okay, let's see here. Oh, I haven't used any of this color. Let's try this color next. Maybe another orange here. Now, is my paper getting much more colorful? Oh, yeah. Now, look down here. You'll notice that I have some white spaces, but the pieces are a little too big for down here. That is okay because we can go off the paper if we need to. So I'll just put this one here and it can hang off of my paper and I don't have to get it wet when it goes off of the paper, only on the paper. I need two more here. One right here. Now, is my background really nice and colorful? Yeah. Good job.